Contestant number 6, Toastmaster Amjid Ali, the rooftop. The rooftop Toastmaster Amjid Ali.
I was studying in Islamabad, which was away from my hometown. It was Eid holidays, college announced Eid holidays, and I rushed to my hostel, packed my stuff, and immediately rushed towards the bus stand. Because Islamabad is a populated, urbanized city where many people are living from different cities. I was rushing towards the bus stop. I tried to catch the bus so that I can go my hometown and celebrate Eid with my family. So this was the last bus and the last day before the public transport suspends. I had no ticket. All the seats were filled. I talked to the driver, I talked to the transport company that I need one seat. They said there is no seat available. I said, can I travel on the rooftop? They agreed and they said, okay. I moved to the rooftop, took my stuff, took my laptop and kept it there. I saw there are 5 more people sitting there. I was happy that I will get a company of these people. But they were silent. They were talking to each other in their own language. I saw something special there. They were having a shawl that they were covering with and they were able to hide themselves. They became invisible by having a shawl like this. They were putting on themselves and they were becoming invisible. It was so strange. They were having glasses like this, that if you wear these glasses, you were clearly able to see them even if they were covering with the shawl. It was so strange. I got afraid that what is going on? I remained silent. I was afraid. I took my laptop. I had to complete my GPS tracker project for the university, and this was in the last stage. I started working on them. I did not pay attention to them, but I fall asleep because it was a long journey. It was dark at night. Suddenly, I heard weird noises, gunfire. I got shocked. What is this? When I got up, there was no one. I saw people down there. All the passengers were out from the bus. And where are these 5 people? These 5 people were in fact robbers. They were robbing them. Gun was there, taking them, asking them, come out, come out. They robbed everything. I saw, where is my stuff? Where is my laptop? My laptop was also taken by them. Where is my wallet? Wallet is also taken by them. And they suddenly disappeared. It was a big shock to me. My whole GPS tracker project and everything was stolen. The bus started again and they moved to the next police checkpoint. Just after 30 minutes, police came and asked questions from everyone. I was on the rooftop. They didn't realize this. One policeman came on the top, said, you are here. Come down, come down. So they thought I'm the suspect. They took me for the investigation. I tried to convince them that I'm a student too. I'm just traveling to my hometown. There was a police officer who got convinced. I told him that even my laptop was stolen. They took my laptop as well, and I had all my projects there, and I have to complete this for my college. Suddenly, it came into my mind that I have the GPS tracker. I can use that GPS tracker to track my laptop and to track those robbers. I talked to the police officer. He gave me his tablet PC. I configured my GPS tracker application, and I was able to track the laptop. Together with police officers, we started traveling. I took those goggles also with me because they left it behind. I took those goggles and I started going with the police officer. They gave me a bulletproof jacket and they said, stay in the car, don't move. And they started, and they gave me this gun also. They said that, be here. Don't use this gun, but just keep looking at them. Those guys were invisible because they were having this shawl. They were invisible, but I was having these glasses and I looked at them and I was pointing at the police officers saying that they are there, they are there. And they quickly were able to kill all of them and took all the valuable and all the stuff. They were so happy with me. All the police officers, government was so happy with me. They gave me the award. I was so happy that they gave me a civil award in the ceremony. And My university, my college gave me the gold medal for the successful completion of the project. So there is always a success if you travel on the rooftop. Over to you, contest chair.
Toastmaster Amjid Ali.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much for your active participation. First place goes to, any guesses? Toastmaster Amjid Ali. Congratulations to all the winners.